How to turn off activity status on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can turn off activity status on Instagram. So this is very simple, so kindly watch to the end. The first step is to move to the bottom right corner, click on your profile icon. And then after clicking on your profile icon, you'll be taken to your profiles page. So on your profiles page, the next step is to scroll up this way, and then by the top right corner, some icons will be displayed. Then click on the three horizontal lines that you can see there. And then on your settings and activity page, the next thing you should do is to scroll down until you can see the privacy tab. All right. Under the privacy tab, you can see account privacy, close friends, cross posting, blocked, hide, story, and live, etc. So once you can see all of these and you cannot find activity status, just go to the top part of the screen, click on the search box, and type out activity. Okay, just type it out so that you can easily locate what you're looking for. So you can see show activity status here. So just click on that. And then you'll be brought to another page. So on this page, you can see show activity status, etc. You can see that mine is turned on. So to turn it off, just click on the toggle. And then once it becomes black, it means that your activity status has been turned off. But if you want to turn it on, just click on it and it will be turned on and off and on, just like that. So here is how you can turn off your activity status on Instagram. Ensure you try this out. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel.